Good morning, children. After the explanation of Unit 7 on my blackboard, I can draw. Now we are going to do textbook exercise. Everybody open page 106. Question. Reading is fun. Answer the following question. How many windows does the house have in this poem? Now can you tell me, if you remember, how many windows were there in this poem? There were 5 little windows. How many were there? 5 little windows. Where do the marigold grow? So come on. Yes, marigold growing up against the wall. So what will you write? The marigolds grow against the wall. Now we'll go to the next page. Page number 107. Page number 107. Let's write. These are the 2 rooms of the house. Color them. Based on this activity, complete the paragraph. Now you can see pictures are given of 2 rooms. One this and second this. Now we have to fill up the blanks looking to the room. After completing the exercise of fill in the blanks, then you have to color the rooms very beautifully. So shall we start? Okay. This is my dash. So what will you write? This is my room. This is my room. R-O-O-M. What you've written? R-O-O-M. This is my room. Then it has dash window. Now you can see in this room how many windows we can see? Only one. So we will write O-N-E-1. We'll write O-N-E-1. The color of my bed is, now you have to complete this. Which color of the bed, which color you will color the bed? So over here it is said the color of my bed is brown. So you will write brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Right. Then there are dash pictures on the wall. How many pictures you find? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4. We will write how many? 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Again we will say, this is my room. R-O-O-M, room. It has one window. O-N-E-1. Now this is the room picture, right? Now next picture we will see, it is of what? It is of a hall. This is a room picture. Now it is a picture of a hall. So we'll write, this is a drawing room. What is it is? This is a drawing room. D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Drawing room. R-O-O-M, room. It has what it has? It has sofa. So you can see it has sofa. So we'll write S-O-F-A, sofa in it. We watch TV. What we will write? We watch TV. There is a small TV over here. It has dash curtains. How many curtains are there? 1, 2. So we will write T-W-O-2. It has dash table. How many table? Only one, that is round. R-O-U-N-D, round. It has round table. So once again we will read, children, from starting. This is my room. This is my room. It has one window. The color of my bed is brown. There are 4 pictures on the wall. Now the next picture is of, this is a drawing room. It has sofa in it. We watch TV here. It has 2 curtains. It has round table. So dear children, you have to fill up these blanks also, and then you have to color this picture very beautifully with different pretty colors. Now we'll go to the next page, 108. Now it is said over here, using the picture as clue, fill in the blanks. What we have to do, using the picture as clue and fill in the blanks. The first one is what? He is as busy as dash. Now you can see it is a picture of what over here? It is a picture of a bee. So we will write B E E B. Raj is as slow as a. It is a picture of what? Can you tell me? Yes, snail. SNAIL, snail. This pen is as light as a. Come on, what you see this picture? Feather. So FEATHER, feather. My hair is as black as sky. SKY, sky. Once again we will read. He is as busy as a bee. Raj is as slow as snail. This pen is as light as feather. My hair is as black as sky. Now these are the clues which we have seen in the picture. We have to read the sentence and look at the clues, what it is saying, and we have to write the answer. Now ask your friend to keep his mouth wide open, keep his mouth half shut, keep his mouth fully shut. Now you can see different types of picture. This is wide open, this is half shut, and this is fully shut. Now ask someone to close the door using the words. Means keep the door wide open, let the door be half shut, totally close the door fully shut. Okay. So now we'll go to the next page. Find the right sentences, read the pairs of sentences below, fill in the blanks in the second sentences with the opposite of the word in red. Now what it says first, find the right sentence. First is that. Read the pair of sentences below. These are two pairs. We have to read it carefully. Fill in the blanks in the second sentence. This, fill in the blanks in the second sentence with the opposite in the red. Now this is given the word. Now we have to find it opposite of it. We'll do the exercise, we'll come to know. The boy is running very fast. The boy is walking very slow. What is the opposite of fast? Slow. SLOW, slow. The clown is very happy. What? The clown is very happy. So what is the opposite of happy? The clown is very sad. SAD, sad. The girl is walking on a loose rope. So the girl is walking on a tight rope. TIGHT, tight. Again we'll write. The boy is running very fast. The boy is walking very slow. SLOW, slow. The clown is very happy. The clown is very sad. The girl is walking on a loose rope. The girl is walking on a tight rope. TIGHT, tight rope. Now we'll go to the next page. Change from singular to plural by adding ES, IES and VES. Yes children, remember we had done singular and plural, right? So it is the same exercise. What we have to do? We have to look at the verbs in which ES has to be added, or IES or VES. So we'll look at the verbs and we'll write what are, where it is necessary to add. Examples are given two in different colors. First is Buffalo, buffalo, singular. Plural is what? Buffaloes, buffaloes. Next, Baby, baby. So Babies, babies. ES it is given example IES का दिया है और लास्ट में VEES का दिया है. ओवर यहाँ वाई जो है हमने रिमूव करके हमने क्या किया है ES ऐड किया है. यहाँ पे F हमने रिमूव करके VES किया है. KNIFE वो हुआ नाइफ सिंगुलर. बहुत सारे अगर मोर देन वन है राइट एक से ज़्यादा है तो हम क्या कहेंगे टू नाइफ्स अगर होगी तो विल से KNIVES नाइफ्स. So now we'll do this exercise HERO. So what we'll write? HEROES, heroes. Then fly. So FLIES, flies. Wolves. So WOLVES, wolf. Then potatoes. So POTATOES, potatoes. LADIES, ladies. LOAVES, loaves. So again we will say buffalo, buffaloes, baby, babies, knife, knives, hero, heroes, fly, flies, wolf, wolves, potato, potatoes, lady, ladies, loaf, loaves. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise of on my blackboard I can draw. Complete this work in your textbook. What you have to do, you have to complete this work in your textbook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.